Hello, my name is Doreen Langazal, and I'm the Associate Director of Student Advancement at Case Western Reserve University. I'm excited to be presenting at OCDA with my colleague Sylvia Marrero, Assistant Director of Student Advancement, to share about a program we developed for first-year students on our college campus. Although our student program focuses on major and career exploration, we believe that the exercises can also be impactful for older students and individual clients to assist in meaning making that helps to inform possible future decisions. In our session with you, we will begin with providing the relevant background and theory that inspired the creation of this program. We will then transition to the workshop itself and highlight some of the essential activities, including the creation of a wandering map, in order to showcase the flexibility of the workshop and assist you, the participants, in envisioning ways to utilize this tool with your own students and clients. Sylvia and I hope to see you there.